guys, I know it has been a minute since I have journaled with you. I've been on my vintage kick and I was thrifting and all of that, and then everything happened and that has come to a halt. I'm still selling online, I'm no longer thrifting, but I have gotten back into art journaling and I am addicted to Dylusions right now. So I know that Dylusions just came out with their May challenge and I thought it would be fun to do a journal page with you guys. This is a brand new journal. This is the Dylusions, just the plain creative journal, the large size. I don't know, I think it's probably like 8.5 by 11 or 9 by 12. And so what we're going to do is, the monthly challenge is you have to include orange, brown, and cobwebs. So we'll be using some of the Cobweb Stencil, Dylusions Collage, and I'm going to have you guys watch. What I'm doing first is there's going to be 2 pages. This page is going to have my orange and browns and my collage and my cobwebs. And what I want to do is I want to cut out some of the cobwebs so you see through to this page. And I love how with oranges and browns, the blue pops, the teal will pop. But I don't want to mix them on the same page because it just gets them muddy because you've got your cools and your warms. So I'm going to go ahead, and this one will probably just be a fast forward one. You guys can watch me because it's going to take me a while, and I'm happy to be back with you. I hope you enjoy this page, and let's get crafty. And just to help you guys out, I'm sorry I should have told you this, for this page I'm going to be using the Vibrant Turquoise, Slate Gray, and Fresh Lime. And then on my main page, I'll be using the Melted Chocolate, Tangerine Dream, and Squeezed Orange. Alright, now we can go. Alright guys, I hope you stayed with me to the end. This was something totally different for me. I've not done one of the challenges. I have been taking a lot of the fabulous Dyan classes online. So some of what you've seen may have been stuff I learned in the classes, but if you want to know, you're going to have to take the classes. Dyan does have some videos on scrapbook.com that go a little more detail on how the blending worked on this one. You can see, like, probably when I do stenciling stuff later, I may have to do something else with this page. But this was just something different I wanted to try. I hadn't done this before. So we used Dylusions paints. We used the Dylusion Collage. If you don't know what the collage is, that is the collage. She has 2 sets of collage sheets. They come in big and small, so I have those already cut out. That's how I got the image. So really this page was super quick. I feel like it might be missing a little white. I might go back and put some white around the circles later, but for now, I like it where it is. I'm going to stop. I'll do my best to link below all the materials I used. The links are my affiliate links, so if you purchase something through them, it does help support me so I can do the art journaling and videos for you guys. I'm also going to throw on some of the links to Dyan's classes she's doing because they are amazing on her Etsy shop. I'll also throw in some of the scrapbook videos links, so if you want to learn more about what the blending thing I was doing. And she has some videos on collage too. So there we go guys, the May challenge complete. If you liked the video, remember to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. I am an art journaler, I'm a DIYer, I'm a thrifter, vintage junker, and just a little bit of everything. And it all comes down to this. Thanks guys, have a great day.